Score. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Alright, so hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. Alright, so let's get started. I have this 2-pack of Fruit Loops and Kellogg's Pop in a 2-pack at Dollar Tree. So if they're trying to sell it one by one, it's not right. Okay, we have the whole grain rice. I have to eat more grains and stuff like that. Okay. I also, expiration date on that is May the 2nd, 2025. Okay. And I wanted to try this Bay water. It's Wonder Water Malacca coconut, I believe this is. If I'm saying it right. Malacca coconut. Alright. I picked up Classic Mild Guacamole Seasoning Mix. Okay, I wanted to try this because I eat a lot of guacamole. A lot of avocados, so yeah. Want to give that a try. I also picked up the Ultra paper plates. They come 10 in the pack. They really feel really nice, so I got 2 packs of these. Okay, I got 2 packs of these. It comes 10 in the pack. I don't think I ever used these before. But it's 10 in a pack, so I got that. And I had got, at DD's, I paid $4.99 for this exact thing. I mean, well, not exact, but somewhat. And Sure Fresh has it at the Dollar Tree. For $1.25, and I think mine came with a scoop, but it was a little bit wider, but the top was made like this, and I got it in like a seafoam green, real light green color, and it had a scoop in it. But yeah, $1.25, y'all, for your cereal, your flour, whatever, your sugar. I also picked up this Perfect Brow mini kit, y'all. When I opened this up, OMG, this is so nice. I'm like, I own it. Y'all doing it. Look at this. I took it out of the pack, y'all. Look at this. This is so cute and compact. Look at that. And it has the magnetic. That's just super cute to me. So cute. Look at that. I'm going to use this today. It's the top of the morning, and I'm on my way to work. I also wanted to try this for sushi gummies. I thought these were just so cute. They're too cute to eat. I thought my daughter would like these. She loved gummies, and she loved Korean stuff. So I thought this was really cute. Yes, so detailed. Look at that. So detailed. Wow. Really nice. I picked up me some of this almond plant-based beverage sweetened vanilla milk. You know, because I really don't drink milk anymore like that. Milk ain't made for us, y'all. It's really not. It's really not made for us. Okay. I found these here containers I've been wanting. Yes. It's the 3 in the pack. I like that. I like that. So I can put like my carrots and cottage cheese, or carrots and some other kind of dip, about peanut butter, and my crackers in here. And it comes with the top, the lid, Very nice. Very nice. I love that. I picked up these here 4 plates. These are nice because, you know, portion wise to me is very important. And if I use a little plate like this, I'll put a little bit of food on it. So, it's 4 in the pack. They're so cute. I love the way they're made. But yeah. With that. So cute. Y'all, I got this little bitty USB mini vacuum cleaner. I thought that was so cute. And it do work. Okay, it comes with the cord. I was trying it on something. But yeah, it comes with a cord. It's be good for the job or for your desk, you know, if you're doing crafts and, you know, a lot of beads and stuff fall. It's a nice thing to pick up with, okay? Got me some Epsom salt for my feet, for foot soap. Yeah, Epsom salt, yeah. My bishop's going this coming up this Friday. So please keep us in prayer. Grace Cathedral Ministries. Yes. With the Bishop, Jerome Strickland Wilcox. Pastor. The Bishop. Going on resting in the Lord. Yes, God, I miss him so much. Alright, I got these here. I'm sorry. I got these here. And, they're the 3 colors. I got these here. Just keep us in prayer. I got these here. Markers. They're so cute. I seen, Sadie J with these, and I thought they were so adorable. I also picked up me some advanced healing blister heal bandages. Y'all, these are so nice. I'm telling you, they come like this. They're thick, nice thickness, you know, where it's comfortable on your foot or wherever. It's really comfortable. I found this powder that everybody was talking about. The mattifying powder. Wow, it's really, really cute. So cute. And, yeah. I thought this was adorable. Look at that. It's too cute. So I got that. I also picked up this ear and nose trimmer. Okay, I picked that up. I also picked up this here lighting. This is so pretty, y'all. The one I have is over there on my desk. I'm so sorry. I had it up, the batteries in it for you to light up and everything, but this is so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Love this. At the Dollar Tree, y'all. It has an off and on. Really, really nice. I picked up, I wanted this last year and I could not find it. Yes, I love the way this do. Okay, it's just the top. You can open it from the top, put your pencils, whatever you want to put in there, your eyebrow pencils, your lipsticks, or your brushes, or whatever that will fit in here. Okay, then you close it up, turn it over, and you got another compartment. That is just so cool to me. I absolutely love it. Yes. Also picked up these cutting boards. They come 2 in a black pack. They're flexible cutting mats. Flexible for easy funneling will not dull knives, won't dull your knives, dishwasher safe, top rack, okay? So it comes to in the fact when you're doing your vegetables and you're putting them in the pan and stuff like that there, cutting up your vegetables, your onions, and, you know, your peppers and stuff like that. And I also got this Island Escape Air Freshener Room Spray, y'all. This smells amazing. I like this. It smells great. Yes, I love it. Also grabbed this pen here. This here pen right here. This what is it? Gummy bear pen. Oh, it's so cute. So adorable. I can't wait to take it and put it on my desk. I'm wrapped up like that. Gummy bear like that. You got the, it's a, if I'm not mistaken, it's a pen. It says novelty pen, but it comes off like a magnetic pencil to me. So I think this is what this is, but I just want it for the decoration. Just gonna sit on my desk. Okay, and I also picked up the Collagen Gentle Cleansing. I use this every morning, y'all. I love this stuff here. Very nice. Very, very nice. I picked up the Multi-Surface Peppermint Sage. I love this stuff, y'all. So good. Yes, it is. It cleans your stuff so well, and I absolutely love it. And I also picked up the voice control. I've been wanting one of these, a tabletop light, for $1.25. You command it to do things. Dome light, turn on. Yes, and it says dome light, turn, brighten the light, change the light, or change the color, dim the light, turn off the light. So yeah, I thought these were really cute. Y'all, I do believe, and I got this right here. I got the Mimosa Fizz by, it's a woman's own company. Yeah, so I'm excited to use these. Okay, and here's the back. Okay. Yup. Mimosa Fizz Brightening Bubble Mask. Yeah. Cheers to a vibrant complexion with skin illuminating antioxidants. So, yeah. I'm looking forward to using that. All right, y'all. I do believe that is my Dollar Tree haul. And remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Love you all. Be blessed. And thank you for your prayers and all for our church and our elect Kyle Sanders. He's going to be our new pastor. So keep him in prayer because him and my bishop was very close. So, just keep us in prayer. Love you all. Bye-bye.